Welcome to our air compressor factory. Today I want to show you our air compressor here. It is a 4-in-1 integrated screw air compressor, includes the compressor, air dryer, air tank, and fan filters. It is a 15 kilowatts, 16 bar used for 1,000 watts to 3,000 watts 5-laser cutting machine. And its airflow is 1.5 cubic meter per minute. Here is the inverter used on the air compressor. It can keep the voltage stable during the working. Then please take a look at the oil separator. It is professional for air cutting process. It is used for keep the air clean. This model air compressor we used is servo motor. It can better for saving energy. And the tubes we use is made of stainless steel which support a higher pressure. Inside the metal sheet box, we use big fan and big cooler here. It can keep the temperature low and for a long time using. The air filter and oil filter are also high pressure model. Its filter fineness is better. Next, this is our 5-stage fan filters. It can keep the air without water and oil, so the air quality is good for cutting. The last one is the air tank. The capacity is 340 liter high pressure tank. The inside of the tank is treated with anti-corrosion, which effectively prevents air pollution.